If you are one of the lucky people that clicked on today's video, you are about to be blessed with 1 year of good luck. The two things you need to do first to make that happen is 1, leave a like on this video, and 2, subscribe to the channel. It's free, and like I said, you get a year of good luck. Anyways, what is going on? Everybody, hope you all are having an amazing day. In today's video, we went out and actually, can't talk, caught some fish. Yes, I know it may be a surprise to most of you, but you know what? We actually got it done. Me and my boy Austin, my neighbor across the street, we went out looking for some crappie because my freezer's empty and your boy likes to eat fish. And we went out and hunted for some crappie, fish for crappie, whatever, same thing. But we ended up catching a bunch of little bass, and there was definitely a little surprise of a catch in today's video. So I'm gonna just leave it there, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Think we'll catch any fish today? No. I've caught 3 fish this year. Yeah, so 1 fish a month, that's pretty good.
4 crappie.
Pretty good. Yeah, our goal is crappie. Oh, and it's super wet and gross. Yes.
My dad caught all of his crappie the other day in a pond on yellow.
Oh.
He said
well,
they were there for like 3 hours, didn't catch anything until they both switched to yellow.
Huh.
And then they caught like...
Well, I've got some pink and green sliders with a yellow jig head. Our goal is to catch some crappies. You already got one? Huh? I don't have any fish in the freezer, and being in an Asian family, that's a no-no. So we're gonna try to fill the freezer.
Had like a hit right away.
I wouldn't be surprised. I caught bass the other day here, and it's warm. It's pretty warm. I got the double jig going, so double my chances of catching a fish. God knows I need as much luck as possible. I'm gonna starve to death if I don't catch any crappie, Austin. How come they don't bite mine?
See that? That hit my full tip to the tip of my rod.
It bit your tip? Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Like right.
I haven't caught fish on camera in so long, I don't know how I'm gonna act. It's been a very hot minute.
It has been a while.
I literally think the last time I caught a fish on camera was fishing with, nah, maybe it was when I was fishing with Josh, I don't know. Maybe the double jig is not the move.
It used to be.
Oh, got one. Oh, it's a bass. Right, unless it's a big crappie.
That has to be a bass.
Oh, I freaking, oh, yes. Why, yes. It is indeed my little friend, the bass. Looky there, Austin. We caught what we can't eat. Wow, I caught him on the top one too. Looky there, folks. I caught a fish on camera. I don't know what to do now.
Alright, that's the video.
Alright, we'll call it good. Just,
you guys have been watching
well,
no fish videos, so.
If you like high quality fish catching content, subscribe now. Adios, Pedro. Nice. First fish on camera of 2020, and it's March. Interesting. Not what we're looking for though. We want the crappie. Really hoping that was gonna be a crappie and just a monster crappie. Oh, here we go, baby. Oh, baby. That's a bass. Not what I'm looking for. I'm on him though, Austin. Yeah? I found the honey hole. Is this the same damn fish?
Oh, he choked that.
Oh, he did. Gosh dang. Looky there. He wanted the crappie jig. Popped right out too. Yeah, they're like super pretty. Look at that. Beautiful colors on them. A little chunker for a 10-inch fish. But not bad, I guess I'll take it. 2 fish on camera on the same day? That's just not right. That's not even realistic for my channel. Oh, adios amigo. I've been learning Spanish. Is it pretty good? All right, well, eventually we might find a crappie school, maybe, I hope.
Hands are kind of cold.
I brought a bucket so I could fill it with fish. So, we'll see. Oh. Yeah, my hand's kind of cold, not gonna lie. The sun went away. The water is slightly chilly. These fish are up shallow by this dock. Oh, baby. Are we getting... What the... Are we getting into pre-spawn? Is it almost that time? Nah. Spawn's like... Yeah, the crappie spawn should be hitting pretty hard in the next week or two. The bass spawn... Oh, I missed him. The bass... I did. The bass spawn, that's more like April and May. But it's Missouri, so we really can't bag on that. It could be snowing in May for all we know. They're already catching them out of the farm pond.
Yeah, my dad caught them.
But those are a lot smaller than this, so they're warming up.
8, 12 inches the other day.
Yeah, it's warming up a lot quicker than this. If I don't catch enough fish for this video, I guess I'll just go to the farm tomorrow.
Yeah, and combine it?
Yeah.
That wouldn't be a bad idea.
Oh, baby. What we got? That's not a crappie. Get off there. I don't want you. Okay, I'm not mad. It's a fish. Third fish of the day. Another flare fish. What do you know?
It's always a flare.
The Lincoln Lake Lunkers.
The Dink Diner.
Oh yeah, this is a Dink Diner, I forgot. Look at that. Look, Austin's almost as big as you. It's like, yeah. Not bad. Look at the mouth on that sucker. Jeez. Well, these are now not known as crappie jigs. These are bass jigs, so. Oh! Did you see that? He jumped out of the water for show. He's trying to build some clout off of me.
Got it.
Do a 360 no scope out of the water. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna try to catch something that's not a bass, I guess. Part of me wants to stop casting over here because I'm only catching bass, but at the same time, I'm catching fish. All right. Back to the little bass hole. Bass hole. Get it? Get it? Not funny? Yeah. I thought I was gonna get to ride my new bike today, but it's kind of cold. I'm gonna mount some rod holders on my bike. Let me know in the comments below. Should I make my bike the little fishing mobile? Mount some rod holders on there? Oh God, I got slammed right there. Smoked it. Why don't they get bigger than 6 inches? At least I want a double on this. It'd be so sick. Fish number 4. Oh, he's biting down on my finger. Gosh dang, he chomped it. Look at the fish numero 4, right? I don't know, I didn't take Spanish.
Yeah, I don't take Spanish either.
Bye, buddy. Thanks for biting. I can't eat you. Well, I could, but I ain't trying to lose my subs. I just got hammered. I don't want to catch another bass. I want crappie.
Well,
the only bass I'm allowed to eat on this channel is white bass. Unless I just have to do a largemouth or a smallmouth catch and cook. Yeah, man, if I'm doing like a survival video and I catch a bass, I'm gonna eat that sucker. But I'm not just gonna take 15, 10, 5, 900 bass home and eat it. That's just messed up. These bass that I've thrown back are gonna be 10-pounders one day. Oh, baby. Oh, is that? Oh my gosh. I thought it was a crappie. Dude, this is like the freaking nursery.
yeah.
I found the nursery. Look at these things. Super pretty. Super tiny. Well, I guess this is it, buddy. I'll give you a peaceful little release. Dunk. Doesn't even splash because they're so small. I don't know, Austin, what's the move to catch crappie? You're the prodigy of the crappie king.
I don't even know.
I guess we just keep...
Wait 2 more weeks.
Well, if the bass are biting, why aren't the crappie? I guess we'll... Yeah, I guess we'll just keep fishing, and then maybe if we move around, find a brush pile or something.
Welcome to the bass video.
Who knows? Yeah, this is actually a bass video, not a crappie video.
It's bass.
Yeah, we had a little cold front this morning. Oh, baby, hooked up. Good one? Your pole just that flimsy? Oh, it's a good one. Dang, not bad. Also with a nice little chunker. It's like 3 times the size of the ones I've caught combined. Oh, well, I see there's a free little fishing spot over here. Dang, Austin. Look at that thing. Put it real close to the camera. Gosh, dang, it's a tank. At least 10 pounds. They are pretty. I think the bass are real pretty in the winter. I thought it was like a 10-pound. Oh my gosh, I literally watched him come out. I literally watched him come out from under the dock and grab my jig.
That's even bigger.
Crystal clear water, man. God, this thing tank. God, new PB.
So many ideas you could do for fishing.
New PB. Not bad. Catching tanks, baby. We're not even in anything. Except the nursery. Well, more fish for the content, baby. More fish for some content. Eventually they'll get bigger. Maybe. But not. Oh, what the was that? Why did he hit it so hard? Is that a crappie? Oh, I didn't realize I had my camera on. I thought I had it off, so I turned it on, but I actually turned it off. So now I have 2 clips of this fish. Yes. Yet again, another dink diner. Dink. We love it.
Hatchery over there.
Yeah, it's a freaking baby hatchery here. Not bad though. Little slider's doing work. Oh, not exactly what I wanted, but I'm not complaining. Freaking smoked me. I thought it was like a 10-pounder. Literally just crushed it. Okay. I decided to throw a jerkbait just to mess around, and I've hooked a tank. A really good fish. Holy cow. I did not expect this. Wow. Okay. Oh, all right. Let's go. Let's freaking go. On the jerkbait. Oh my God. Oh wow. It was literally just the bottom hook. But he engulfed the whole thing in there sideways. Holy cow. I didn't think he was that big. I mean, it's only like a 2-pounder, 2.5-pounder, but still. Dang. Swallowed the jerkbait. Wow. Okay. Well, that's a little surprise to today's video. I'm not sure if I'm going to end it here. I guess we'll find out when I'm editing, when I cue the outro, but nice little 2-pound bass, 2.5-pound bass. Super pretty. Biggest one of the year so far. So let's put him back. So maybe one day she'll grow up to be big mama. But wow. See you later, pal. Not a bad way to end the day. Literally was not filming. I was just casting out with a jerkbait because I was really trying to catch crappie for this video, but I mean, that works too. So we'll see what happens. So if I cue an outro, well, hope you enjoyed. And if I don't, hopefully I'm catching some crappie. Oh. Showboating out there. Wow. Today was actually a pretty good day. I know it's a little dark in my room, so sorry for the awful lighting. I'm going to get some lights and we'll have good lighting for vlogs and stuff, or outros in my bedroom. But anyways, today was not too bad of a day. We ended up catching like, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 fish, which isn't too bad because the water's still pretty cold. It was actually kind of chilly today, and I was actually surprised we caught anything, to be honest with you. I really just don't know how to catch fish on camera or fish in general, so it's a total surprise to me. But yes, we caught a decent little bunch of fish, and the last fish, you know, it was like a 2.5, 3-pound fish. Wasn't too bad. It was a nice little kicker. It was actually really nice catching a decent sized fish after catching a bunch of 10-inchers, so I hope you guys enjoyed all that. And for all of you new subs, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means a ton, and I'm glad to have you a part of the Bad Bass fam. I think we gained like almost 100 subs in like the last 3 days, so that is awesome. I want to grow and get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and that's just going to be, you know, on me grinding, and I'm going to grind super hard. I'm going to do a lot of dam fishing videos, creek fishing videos, pond fishing videos. Hopefully I get my kayak out and do a lot of videos off of there. So hopefully we have a summer and fall full of exciting content for you guys. And, well, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe because it's going to be a banger year. But that's about it for me. I don't really have anything else to say. I'm about to go out and try to actually catch some crappie. Might go to the farm pond. I heard there's some crappie being caught out of there, and your boy's freezer's kind of empty, so it is what it is, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Like I said, subscribe. And if you do, well, like I said at the beginning of the video, you'll have good luck for the rest of the year, so you might want to do it. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and folks, like always, stay hooked.